I'm Lauren DuFall and I'm the CEO of the ARC Training Centre for Future Crops, and we're based at the Research School of Biology, working out of plant sciences, and that's a collaboration with the Centre for Public Awareness of Science as well. We train PhD students and early career researchers in socially responsible genetic and field technologies. I use a couple of strategies to manage my mental health, and that is tapping into what I am naturally good at and my strengths and skills, which one of them is organisation. So planning things means that it's more likely to happen for me. Because it's really difficult, particularly I've got a toddler, so even just trying to sleep well and exercise well is pretty difficult. And if you can focus on the things that you enjoy and use things that you do well to kind of support that, then that's a good strategy for making it easier. One of the simple things we do is just getting together as a group, and so building that community. We have been going for walks at lunchtime around the beautiful campus, and one of the students has been really awesome at looking up the kind of history of certain things across campus and telling others along the way. So that's been really nice, just to get outside, get some sunshine, go for a walk, fresh air. I think that's been really helpful for people to just kind of switch off for a while. When you look online and what do I do to manage my mental health, it's all eat well, sleep well, exercise, but there's a lot more that I think we can do. And after the last couple of years, which has been really difficult for a lot of people with COVID and social isolation, and I've had some really big challenges, losing a close friend and other big life disruptions. It's really important to look after your mental health on a regular basis so that you're building up that really strong foundation, so that when something comes along, you're more likely to be able to cope with it and manage it. I would like to do more meditation and mindfulness, and I know those are kind of buzzwords with mental health, but I have done those during certain periods and have found that they're really helpful. I tend to find it hard to continue practicing those strategies though, and one thing that I have taken from all of that I do regularly is just spending time in nature, appreciating it, enjoying it, being outside, and just kind of taking those moments. I go camping a lot, and no phone reception, so it's very relaxing, and just spending that time out in nature. I tend to get a lot of exercise because I'm moving around. I sleep well, I eat really well. It's amazing what you can cook over a campfire, especially if you're organised. So one of the exercises that has stuck with me that I came across online a few years ago is to really be present and use your senses to think about, 5 things that I can see, 5 things that I can hear, 5 things that I can touch. And that just helps me be really present in the moment and block out what else might be going on in my brain. I really do rely on my friends and family, and sometimes that might be really long FaceTimes, sometimes it might be really short calls but regularly, and sometimes it might just be checking in with friends over text messages and sending memes and cat videos. But definitely that whole community is really important to helping people and support their mental health. Yeah, look, I really struggle to get into really good habits and keep doing what I intend to and know that I should be doing. And I think not many of us would say we're doing a stellar job of looking after our mental health. I think that we need to take an even different approach to maintaining good mental health. I think we need to look at the broader perspective of our homes, our communities, our workplaces. You hear a lot these days about people being burnt out, and particularly after a couple of years of COVID and all of the after effects of that. We've got these days a lot of women, especially going back to work after having kids, but our work hours and our work days haven't changed. So sometimes I think we need to take a bit of a broader look at how our societies are designed and whether we can actually do more there. I know some really progressive countries and workplaces are looking at the 4-day work week, for example. It's those types of things that I think we need to be thinking about and changing as our lives and our work evolve.